Welcome to Best Brain Trains. My name is Best, and today I'm going to show you how to create a pivot chart in Microsoft Excel. First, let's begin by going over the data that is displayed on my screen. In column A, you'll see that we have the student number. In column B, which is hidden, is student names. Those are hidden for confidentiality. Column C labels the student as a boy or a girl. Column D is the class that the student is in. Column E is their teacher. Columns F through K are hidden at this point in time. They are from term 1 and term 2. And column L through M are term 3 grades. We'll be focusing on term 3 grades for this demonstration. All right. The first thing that you will need to do to create your pivot chart is to click in any cell inside of the data that you have provided. Once you've clicked that cell, you'll go to Insert at the top of the screen and click Pivot Table. When you click Pivot Table, a new window will come up. In that window, it will show the range that has been selected for the table. For this demonstration, it's actually selecting all of the data that has been provided in this particular tab. At the bottom of the new window, it says choose where to place the pivot table. You'll have the option of either creating a new worksheet, which will go into a new tab, or you can put this into the existing worksheet, which means it will create the table wherever you select the table range in the existing tab. For this demonstration, we will create it in a new worksheet. Once you've clicked New Worksheet, you will open up to that new worksheet where you will need to select the information that you are going to place into your table. To the right, there is a Pivot Table Fields column, which gives you all of the data that you are able to select from. What we will be using is the class, which I will click on class and drag it down to where it says rows and release. And we will also be looking at term 3 FA. Term 3 FA for us means term 3 formative assessment scores. I will drag that to values and release. Once that is done, you will see that 2 columns have been created. Column A, which says row labels, which are your classes. We have 10 classes in our school, so 1A through 1J are the classes. Column B shows you the sum of term 3 formative assessment scores for each of those classes. So basically what is happening is the formula here is calculating a sum for all of the students in 1A, 1B, 1C, and so on. The final row here is a grand total of all of the classes. However, for the information that we need, a sum is not necessarily what we want to use. We would prefer to have an average. So in order to change this, I will go to the top where it says Active Field and make sure that sum is selected here. I want to change that field by clicking Field Settings to Average. Now you'll notice that in column B, I now have averages for all of the classes. In order to format these values for consistency, I will right-click on one of the values and select Number Format. Once inside, I will select Number, and I would like it to go to 2 decimal places. Once I click OK, it formats for all of the numbers. Now at the top of column A, you see that it says row labels. You can change this title. For me, I would like for this to say classes. And something that I will show you that you're able to do now is filter the information that has been provided. So with this down arrow, you're able to select which classes you would like to see. Right now, I will select class 1A and 1B. You're being shown the averages for 1A and 1B and the average of those 2 classes. This may be useful if you're trying to find the average based off of maybe a teacher's classes specifically. If you would like to see all of the classes, you select All, and it will show you all of the classes. This is all that I will be showing you in this particular video. If you would like to see more, please watch the next. Thank you for watching Best Brain Trains. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.